Just want to say hello, YouTubers, and welcome back again. Today is another short, simple product review. It's going to hit the high 80s today, and the house is sweltering. So this review is a new review on another air conditioner I just purchased. You know, you guys watched my video recently of the Honeywell 14,000 BTU that I did. Well, that machine didn't quite live up to expectations, so I moved on to something new, and I was happily returned that to the store. So this is the video of the new product. As you can see off in the distance here, it's a hot and hazy one. I mean, look at that. You can see just the heat and the humidity just sitting there sweltering above the tree line. It's a hot one. So we're gonna get into this AC and see how it does. I just want to say good morning, YouTube. If you're following my channel, I'm back today with another product review. I recently had Honeywell portable air conditioner. It was 14 CCS model, and it was supposed to be 14,000 BTU. So if you've seen my previous video before that, you see that I had that. I tried it out. I set it up, put it in the window, and just gonna say I wasn't totally happy with it. So if you're watching this video, you're gonna see what I'm doing next. But good morning, top of the morning to you. I hope everybody's healthy. Everybody survived this pandemic and didn't have too many crazy things that affected their life and their family. And this COVID-19 thing has kind of taken the world by storm and put a lot of things into perspective for people. So hope you guys are all doing well. I'm here today. I'm going to bring that video to you. I'm going to go over a new product review that I tried out. Stay tuned. Alright, so we're going to get into discussing some of the high points and some of the low points that I pretty much kind of enjoyed about the new machine that I got. I'm going to show you guys a little bit about it. I'm going to show you guys a little bit. I'll show you the features. It's a GE Smart Room air conditioner. It is 8,000 BTU. It's supposed to be able to, the capacity is about a 350 square foot room. It's supposed to keep your apartment or a house or a bedroom cool, anything around 350 square feet or cool. And the model number is AEC08LY. Now this air conditioner is one of the newer line models from GE. It's like these are compatible with Wi-Fi. They have smartphones. They have they're smartphone compatible. They have an app you can install on your phone. You can control remotely from. If you were out, if you wanted to like turn your air conditioner on, if you were on your way home from work or something, there's pretty good features with this air conditioner. So it was kind of part of the selling point for me. So I figured I'd pick it up and try it out. I had the portable unit, the Honeywell, which was kind of a big disappointment. For $579, 14,000 BTU. I was hoping for the Honeywell to do my whole place. I have a smaller apartment, it's not really too large, so it's probably around 500 square feet. It's a small unit. Just me. I don't have any children, I live alone. So it suits me. But the air conditioner didn't live up to expectations. I barely could break 72 degrees in here on a 90-degree day. I think it was about 95 outside about a week ago when I first bought it. And I think temperature jumped in here with that thing running for 24 hours to 75 degrees. I couldn't get the place any cooler, so I kind of gave up on it. I ended up bringing it back to the store, and I bought this GE. It's Energy Star certified. It's got 3-way cooling and 3 fan speeds. It's got a remote control, like I mentioned, and it's magnetic, so it sticks on the side of the air conditioner. Let me grab it real quick. So this is it right here. It's nice remote control. Basic, doesn't have any digital display or nothing on it, but it's decent. So I picked it up. It's got an easy mount window kit. I don't know if you've ever installed an air conditioner before, a window mount unit. You have the two, I want to call them like accordion panels. They extend, you slide it into the side of the air conditioner. It's a metal bracket, you're going to screw to the top of the AC. You mount that down, and you put the 2 side panels on. Then you just got to gasket up the window. They usually come with, this one came with a roll of foam that you can cut and stick on the bottom of the windowsill and the top of the windowsill. And then there's a big thick piece that you stick between the two window panes to keep it from, from any air getting out or any bugs and stuff getting in. But this unit has been pretty good. I've had it for about a week now. I ended up paying $2.99 at Home Depot. It was on sale. So far, it's been good. Let's get the temperature in my house is about 68 degrees. I got the AC set for about 67, 68. So it's pretty much doing it. I mean, it's doing the whole. It's only an 8,000 BTU compared to the other one. And this 8,000 is. I could probably just keep it in my window and do the whole apartment. So far, the bedroom's a little warmer because of the way the layout is of the unit in here. But it's not bad at all. I'm not complaining. So, just figured I'd give you guys an update on it, let you know, and you can check out this AC. Like I said, it's a GE Smart Room Air Conditioner. It's got an app and everything. I'm going to show you guys the app. Let me get the app set up here on my phone. I'll show you. You can control it remotely. It's called the GE Comfort Control. So you got to download it from the App Store and put it on your phone. Let's go back here. So it's got the mode, you can control it all. It's got all the settings. It shows you the ambient temperature inside the house, the target temperature. It's pretty good. You can put it on a schedule if you want. On, off. It's got notifications, push notifications for your phone. Let's see. You can actually control more than one air conditioner. You just hit this button here, the plus, and you can add two. So if you add two in another room, you can control both of them individually. It's pretty good. But yeah, so far I've had this thing a week, and it's living up to its name. So I'm pretty excited. I ended up returning the other one at Best Buy, and I wasn't really too happy with Best Buy, even though I'm a very loyal fan of them. I buy all my electronics pretty much from them. Stuff that I know that I'd like to have serviced. If I have a problem with it in the future, I usually buy directly from Best Buy. But I just want to show you guys how to get into the cleaning for this. You pop these two side pieces off from the cover, and it has like a little hinge. It's got 4 hooks in the bottom. See where it lines up with that slot? Pops right in there. And you push it in, and then there's a clip on the left and right side. You can see it right there, the little stem sticking out in the corner. And that's how you get in there and change the filter on these. The filter's right there. Basically, it's a reusable filter, so you can take it out and wash it. And it's very easy to clean. You take a brush, scrub it in the sink with some soap and water. Rinse it on each side so all the particles and debris come out of the screen, and you let it dry, and you can put it right back in. Very simple cleaning process for it. I just wanted to make you guys aware that there was good points and bad points about this. The bad point, I really didn't find any. The only bad point was the noise. As you can tell through the video, I recorded the video intentionally with the air conditioner running, so you can kind of see how loud it is. But other than that, this thing, it works really good. I've had it on for a week. It's cranking. The house is 68. It seems to adjust and keep up with the temperature in the house and cool it according to the settings. So it pretty much the specs that this machine has, it lives up to. I got it, like, this whole room is like 68. I could probably drop it down. I think the temperature goes down to 61 on this machine, and it would probably keep that. So I'm pretty happy. So I suggest, if you guys are interested in this air conditioner, I would head out to your local Home Depot and grab one. They're $2.99 on sale, and I'm very pleased with it. I have no complaints whatsoever. It's a great machine, great appliance. Just want to say thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and get yourself one. Keep cool for the summer. Just want to say thank you guys for watching. If you enjoyed my video, please like. If you like my channel, please click subscribe. And remember, stay cool for the summer. it easy.